Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Checking for a new entry in a PostgreSQL database through Python involves querying the database for the latest entries and comparing them with the previously recorded state. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with code examples using the Page2 library, which is a popular PostgreSQL adapter for Python. Make sure you have a PostgreSQL database set up with a table you want to monitor for new entries. For this example, let's assume you have a table named entries with columns ID and data. Create a Python script to check for new entries. In this example, we'll use a simple function to query the database and compare the results with the previous state. Save the script and run it using the command python your_script_name.py. The script will continuously check for new entries in the PostgreSQL table and print information if a new entry is detected. Make sure to replace placeholder values in the script, example your_host, your_database, your_user, your_password, with your actual PostgreSQL connection details. Note, this is a basic example, and you might want to consider additional error handling and optimizations based on your specific use case. ChatGPT.